class 5th, as I had taught you earlier also about human skeleton through an audio, but today I just want to revise you, clear your doubts about human skeleton. Okay, now what is a human skeleton? The human skeleton is a framework of bones which protect the internal organs and also give support and shape to our body. An adult has 206 bones. Now the skeleton system includes the skull, the spine and the ribs. First, the skull. The bones of head makes the skull. The skull protects the brain inside our head. It is made up of 22 bones. Okay. Now that which are joined together, the upper part of the skull has 8 bones and the face is made up of 14 bones. The upper jaw is fixed and the lower jaw is movable. As you can also try it in your face, that the upper portion is still but the lower jaw is movable. It helps to you to read. Then the upper jaw contains holes of nose, eyes, ears and mouth. When you put a hand on your nose, you will be able to feel a long structure. This is not a bone. It is a long piece which gives support to our nose. Then of which thing our nose is made up of? A cartilage. A cartilage is made up of strong tissues which are very flexible. Now what is a tissue? Tissue form part of an organ. Tissue are groups of cells that work together. Now what is a cell? Every organism, a living thing, is made up of structures called cells. Have you understood, class? Total 22 bones. 8 bones in your upper portion and 14 is of your face. 14 is of your facial bones. The upper jaw is fixed but the lower jaw is movable as it helps you to eat and speak. The next one is the spine. The long flexible column of bones extending from to the end of the back is called backbone. It is also called vertebral column. Why? Now students, if you run your finger down to your back, you will feel the bones. कुछ उभरी हुई bones होती हैं that makes up your spine. That is your backbone. The spine is made up of 33 interlocking bones called vertebrae. Now what is a vertebrae? These all interlocking, every bone in your spine individually it is known as vertebrae. जैसे एक string है, एक string में बहुत सारे beads हैं, जो string के beads हैं these beads are called vertebrae. ऐसे ही आपकी spine है, spine की जो हर एक bone होती है उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? vertebrae. इसीलिए आपकी spine को vertebral column भी कहा जाता है. Okay, now as we grow, some bones fuse with one another and we are left with only 26 vertebrae. So each bone of the backbone is known as vertebrae. Each vertebrae has a cushion that is called cartilage. I had told you earlier also what is a cartilage. It is made up of strong tissues. Now what is the work of these cartilage? Now these are the small discs made of cartilage between two vertebrae. They act like shock absorbers and also stop the bones rubbing against each other. It is due to vertebrae that we are able to bend, twist our backbone. Each vertebrae has a hole in it. The spinal cord passes through the hole. Have you understood? Now 26 vertebrae are there. In between two vertebrae there is a cartilage that is made up of strong tissues, okay, that helps them to not to rub against one another, shock absorber. और इन्हीं जो vertebrae है इनके बीच में hole होता है और उस hole में से pass करता है spinal cord. तो जो vertebrae column है ये हमारी spinal cord को भी protect करता है. अब ये spinal cord क्या है? Now the spinal cord is a bundle of nerves that go to and from the brain. You will came to know about spinal cord in detail in your higher classes. Till now, the spine and the vertebral column, spinal cord, वर्टिब्रे क्या हुआ, हर एक बोन जो आपकी स्पाइन में है दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्टिब्रे. हर एक बोन के बीच में कार्टिलेज होता है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग टिश्यूज. एक होल होता है वर्टिब्रे के बीच में, वर्टिब्रे कॉलम के बीच में से, जिसमें से हमारी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पास करती है. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को प्रोटेक्ट करता है हमारा वर्टिब्रे. These bones that are called vertebrae column. This vertebrae column or spinal help us to twist, bend. It enable our body to twist and bend. I hope you have understood. In next video I will tell you about the ribs. Thank you class. If you had any query, please contact. Thank you.